Manipur matam kuinadagi leirapa social problem kayana khunai asida tayonaba safu ama pirakliba ase kharada oirabasu koknaba Manipur University ki syllabus ta value added course Khara Hapchille HAINA University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam ase Manipur University ki Department of Teachers Education amasung Art of Living na silaga Youth Employment and Skills haiba hiram asida numit mangani chupna pangthokadaba workshop haudokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani Tharamatuda Chief Guest ki warol piraduna Professor and Lokendra na hai haukiba chahi kayadagi Manipura tongan ba makhalge thaudok wathok kaya thoklaga lakle masida furuk maselgi unkhatnaba civil unrest amade mahiroi singe akanba ihau kaya thokpa laikre chahi kayadagi matam gi oina thoklaga lakpa social problem sing asina haurakliba naha amade mahiroi singe lu tongda chushin khibana khunai asida tayonaba safu ama pitaba natte Aikhoigi khunai asida thokpa charangnaba sing kharada oirabasu koknabagi pandamda Manipur University syllabus semba matamda value added course sing hapchinba haure masida art of living NCC amade NSS na chingba sing ase panba yai youth empowerment amade skill gi matangda pangthokliba workshop ase so hauziki matamda yamnamak tangai fadaba ama oiribani Hauziki matamda khwaidagi maru oiraklibase punsida tangai fadana mathau taba tongan ba skill gi laushin tansin bane NEP 2020 laktringai mamangda de education gi kanglon ase theory da hena akan bamit yeng changlame matamatu da theory bo khanglabade khunai asida thokpa problem khudingmak loishinba ngamgani haina thajanarami adubo NEP 2020 ase horakpadage Theory khaktada akanba mityeng thamlamba do lauthoktuna practical da oina akhanaba mityeng thamlakle hauziki matamda karigumba kharagi asengma masak khangge hairabade practical ase yamna maru oi maramde aikhoina tamliba mahai ase punsigi hiram khudingmakta pansinduna awonba ma puraknaba amate khunai asiga chunana chatpa mathau tai mase pumnamaga se practical yaudana oithokpa wagani haina Professor and Lokendra na makatana phongdokhe Taramadutta Manipur University ki Department of Yoga ke Head Professor T. Inaubi amasung Art of Living ke Senior Faculty Razak Rahman na President Member sing oina saruk yakhe.
So in order to do that, in the midst of this such a crisis in the state of Manipur, the program that teacher education is organizing is the need of the hour. I must congratulate all the faculties of the Department of Teacher Education for taking up this initiative, and I'm sure that all of you will gain a lot. All of you will be able to locate yourself in this society. All of you will be able to understand and realize what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, how to improve, how to cover your weakness, and how to improve other qualities in your mind, in your body, and in your psychosocial relationship with the larger society. So I think this is a very good program, and I am very happy that you have informed me. We want to support this program. The university is interested to support this kind of a program, and I am sure that the Art of Living should conduct at least 2-3 such programs.